Hey baby, how are you doing? My baby is still looking good. Beyonce doesn't have nothing on you, Michelle.
After all these years, you sure know how to charm a girl.
You know I tell it like I see it.
Yes, I know, Barack. But as you know, a lot of Americans have a hard time with that. They want to hear candy-coated lines.
Well, I didn't get to be president by candy-coating things.
Well, baby, keep doing what you're doing and everything will turn out okay. The truth will set America free.
That's what I'm talking about. My baby supports me and I can't help but love you for it.
Isn't that what a baby's mama is supposed to do?
That's right. Michelle LaVan Obama. My baby's mama.
Barack, you know I don't like that middle name. Keep it up, Hussein, and there won't be any dessert tonight.